my first experience with writing code was in an aerospace class, actually. And I was writing MATLAB. And MATLAB is all about analysis and stuff like that. And it was a little bit tricky at first, but I wrote some stuff and it worked. And it's usually the classic hello world, right? And then from there, you start doing some more stuff that are beyond hello world. You start doing assignments and stuff like that. But eventually, I moved on to doing homeworks, right? Doing coursework that they're like, hey, write code for this thing to make it work. At the time, we didn't know what we were doing. We were just, to some extent, just copying what we either see online and then we just make it work, right? But obviously, we were understanding the core aspects of what we're doing. And then eventually, when I then said, okay, this is the school part of writing code, right? There's the non-school part of writing code, which is super, super important
Yep.
for people to kind of understand, because everything you learn in school, a lot of it is not quite transferable. Some of it, most of it is not quite transferable, right? It's like what you're learning in school is kind of different. So when I'm like, okay, I did like one internship and then I saw that, all right, that code is different.
Yeah.
Then I'm like, let me start working on projects. Let me start building web applications. Let me start building websites. And then from there, my hard skills kind of grew because I was like, okay, there's this web app. What does it look like behind, right? What does the code for this look like? Let me go build it. There's this mobile app. What does the code for it look like? Let me go build it. And that's how my hard skills kind of grew, right? In that context. Then when you then get into like corporate America, where you're now building code for projects, that's then different. So that's a brief overview of my experience, kind of like building those hard skills.